Right, MALAN. Good afternoon to the chief guest, guest of honor, our VIPs, our guests, and the VVIPs, and all my friends, the organizers. Thank you for having me. I'm going to sing a song. I prepared mostly Rongmai songs, but now I'm going to sing an English song. Since we have many guests who don't speak Rongmai, I'm going to sing a song called My Motherland. We all come from a land of very quiet and simple life, and we love the way our forefathers left our they left good culture, they left good place to live. Although we might be economically weak, literacy wise we might be not up to the mark, our way of presentation may not be globally not appealing as per the Indian standards and Indian society views. We might be viewed in a different way, but then when we go back home, it's like a home that you can't find anywhere in the world. And so there are some forces which are impacting our culture, our environment in our areas. Because of globalization, plastic has come. Because of new developments, greed has come among people. Corruption has entered into our society. There is a fight among brotherhood. We blame, or we can't say we blame, but there are some forces which are now trying to disintegrate our usually simple and peaceful life. But then, although we are not strong people, like we don't have big officers sitting in Delhi in parliament, we don't have big representatives at the UN, at the international level, but then we always long to keep our culture alive, and that is why we are gathered here today with our dresses, our necklaces, our wearing our shawls, our other attires, because we want to celebrate this culture and we want to preserve it. And this is a song, My Motherland, which might encourage you to keep pursuing other things in life, but do not forget your roots, do not forget your past history, do not forget where you come from, wherever you go. This is called My Motherland. I was born in that land of my forefathers, and I'm proud I'll be buried there when I die. I'll go to heaven only from that ground. My motherland, my motherland, my motherland. My father and his fathers and his forefathers were the first settlers of that heavenly virgin land. Countless generations lived and died on that land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores and learn about their ways. I may even wear or eat and earn from someone's land. But my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with that soil. My blood bonds with that soil of my motherland. Every drop of that land, my motherland, will shelter the needy wherever they may come from. But we won't let them strangers come for greed or selfishness. or change our boundary, our culture, or our identity. Of this land, my motherland. Although we might be small, we are very proud people. I don't care if them strangers are kings or rulers. I don't care if they bring us wealth or power. I won't fall or trade or give up the sacredness of that land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores and learn about their ways. I may even wear or eat or earn from someone's land, but my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with that soil. Of that land, my motherland. I pray for love and peace and harmony. I stand for truth and the future of our children. I fight for justice, freedom, and liberty. Of that land, my motherland. My first breath and my first sip and my first morsel is the reason that her blood runs in my veins. I'd rather die than have this blood exchanged. Of that land, my motherland. I may go to foreign shores and learn about their ways. I may even wear or eat or earn from someone's land, but my heart belongs to where my blood bonds with that soil. Can we all sing of this land, of that land, sorry. Of that land, my motherland. Although we are far away from here, we still remember of that land, my motherland. One more last time. Of that land, my motherland. That's why we are all gathered here. Thank you.